Now, your first warned weather forecast from meteorologist Jordan Wolfe.
It was a downright blustery day in the state line today. We had peak wind gusts anywhere from 40 to 45 miles per hour, or even in some spots greater than that during the afternoon. Our strongest wind gust of the afternoon, 48 miles per hour in Rockford, 46 in Galena and in Monroe. Many other spots also approaching that 40 mile per hour mark. And that kept our temperatures a little bit on the cooler side as a strong cold front pushed in during the afternoon. We only made it up to 64 degrees in Rockford, actually spot on our average high temperature this time of year. But that mark was reached just before 11 a.m. Much of that afternoon was spent with temperatures in the 50s across the region. We still maintain some of those stronger wind gusts into the evening. 39 miles per hour right now in Rockford, 27 in Poplar Grove, 33 miles per hour the wind gust in Rochelle, 36 out in Galena and in Freeport. And that continues to filter in that cooler air mass as many spots are sitting in the low 50s and upper 40s right now. 50 degrees in DeKalb and Rochelle, 51 in Rockford and Freeport, 48 in both Janesville and in Monroe. Our weather watcher Mike down in Forreston reporting those stronger winds along with some of the cloud cover in place. 51 degrees his current temperature there. Terry in Genoa meanwhile 52 degrees, 39 for his dew point, and we're holding on to those winds 29 miles per hour, the sustained wind out of the northwest right now. We did see a few of those real spotty showers developing here during the later part of our afternoon and into early evening, and we see some of that rain producing a few of those droplets up against our Mercy Health SkyTrack camera in Beloit, and that's also reflected when we look with satellite and radar. Real spotty showers, but just enough of them to produce a real quick drizzle or even some spotty sprinkles in a few spots. Most of that does remain up to our north in southern Wisconsin, but can't completely rule out an isolated sprinkle or two as we head into the later part of our evening tonight. All of this pivoting around this upper level low pressure system sitting up to our north that continues to spin up that way as we head through these next couple of days. That's what's brought in that cooler air mass and also spinning around just enough of that moisture to produce a few of those really light showers. Futurecast showing those spinning around that upper level low and continuing to produce that moisture as we head through tomorrow afternoon and tomorrow evening. And even notice well up to the north in northern Wisconsin, even some of that radar turning blue, indicating some snowflakes up there in northern Wisconsin with that cooler air. We are going to remain underneath all rain here locally as we hold on to a few of those isolated chances through late tomorrow evening before things start to clear out. As far as our temperatures are concerned, we do have a little bit of that cloud cover in place tonight, so we only drop down to 40 degrees with some of that clearing, but it does remain pretty windy. Gusts upwards of 35 or 40 miles per hour. Tomorrow we're back up to 54 degrees, mostly cloudy skies, and still some isolated showers, as I mentioned earlier, lingering out in place, mainly areas east of I-39. As we head into these next couple of days, though, the overnight low is really going to be the big story, with those temperatures dropping down into the 30s for a few nights in a row. 36 Monday night, that forecast low, 30 degrees Tuesday night, 33 on Wednesday night. So both of those Wednesday morning and Thursday morning, could produce some frost, if not widespread freezing conditions. The first one of the season, likely going to see those frost advisories issued here over these next couple of days. Afternoon highs also cool, 54 degrees on Monday, 53 on Tuesday, upper 50s by Wednesday, and then we're holding on to the 60s and even near 70 with that gradual warm up as we head into the end of the week.